In this video, we're talking about apostrophes. That's an apostrophe, and that's also an apostrophe, and that's an apostrophe as well. But they are all different from each other. So I'm going to show you exactly when and how to use apostrophes correctly in English. Before we start, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So the first situation in which we need an apostrophe is when we're talking about something that belongs to somebody or something. My sister's house. It means the house belongs to my sister. The cat's collar. The collar belongs to the cat. Harry's bike. The bike belongs to Harry. So in these sentences, we've got the apostrophe after the word and then an S after the apostrophe. When I talk about myself, I don't need an apostrophe because we've got the word my bike, my house. But be careful when you use its. It doesn't actually have an apostrophe when it's used to talk about something belonging to something. The city and its architecture. There is no apostrophe there. You can use an apostrophe with its, but the meaning is very different, and we will talk about this later in the video. Sometimes something belongs to several things or people. My sisters have a house. The house belongs to all of them. So it's my sister's house. In this situation, the apostrophe goes after the S and there is nothing else afterwards. Compare that with my sister's house. So in this sentence, there is only one sister. And in this one, there are several sisters. The cat's collars. The collars belong to several cats. The cat's collar. There is only one cat. You also need an apostrophe when you combine the verb is with something or somebody. Harry is kind. Harry's kind. It's the same meaning. It's just a shorter way to say it. My dog is clever. My dog's clever. Again, it's just a shorter way to say the same thing. You also need an apostrophe when you combine has with something or somebody. She has been here. She's been here. Or when you combine would with something or somebody. I would like some coffee. I'd like some coffee. And finally, you also need an apostrophe in certain casual phrases, when you say them out loud and you skip some of the letters, so you don't say some of the letters. Like I'm going, sometimes you can put an apostrophe there if it sounds like you didn't say the final sound in the word. Fish and chips, you've got two apostrophes there to replace the letters A and D. But this is something that we only see in writing when somebody is trying to use a very specific style. Otherwise, just write the full words. Did you learn anything new from this video? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye!